Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, pag-aralan natin the visualization of division of fraction, dividing simple fraction, whole number by fraction, and vice versa. Fractions are a way to represent parts of a whole. It is written in A over B. The denominator B is the number of equal parts the whole has been divided into, and the numerators A indicates how many parts are included. So like 2 over 8. 2 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. So these are examples of dividing fractions. 1/8 divided by 2. So out of the whole, it is divided into 8 equal parts. So this piece is 1/8. So when we are going to divide 1/8 divided by 2 equals 1 over 16 because 1 over 16 times 2 equals 1 over 8. And also 1/2 divided by 5. So this 1/2, when we are going to divide by 5, the answer is 1 over 10 because 1 over 10 times 5 equals 1/2. So let's visualize this division. 3 divided by 12. So 3 whole, hahatiin natin sa 12. Para makabuo tayo ng 12, bawat isa ay hahatiin natin sa 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then, each part na nabuo natin is equal to 1/4. So therefore, 3 divided by 12 is equal to 1 over 4. 6 divided by 18. So we have 6. To divide it by 18, so each whole divided into 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so 3 times 6 equals 18. So that's why we divide each whole into 18. Then each part equivalent to 1/3 of the whole. So therefore, 6 divided by 18 equals 1/3. Another example, 5 divided by 20. So 5 wholes divided into 20. So bawat buo hahatiin natin sa 4 para makabuo ng 20. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Then each piece na mabubuo natin is equal to 1/4. Therefore, 5 divided by 20 equals 1/4. 2 divided by 6, so dalawang buo, hahatiin natin sa 6. Para makabuo ng 6, bawat buo ay tigta-3. So 3, 6. Then, each piece equivalent to 1/3. So 2 divided by 6 equals 1/3. 8 divided by 16. So yung 8, para makabuo tayo ng 16, hatiin na lang natin sa 2. Yan. Hinati sa tigda 2. Okay, meron na tayong 16. So ibig sabihin, bawat hati natin ay equal to 1/2. So therefore, 8 divided by 16 equals 1/2. Another one, give the lowest term, then write the reciprocal of the following fractions. Reciprocal is the reverse of the fraction. 4 over 6, so the lowest term of 4 over 6 is equal to 2 over 3. Then, the reverse of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. So that is the reciprocal of 2/3. Another example, 6 over 10. The lowest term of this is 3 over 5. Then the reciprocal of 3 over 5 is 5 over 3. Then 7 over 14, the lowest term is 1 half. And the reciprocal of 1 half is 2. 10 over 12, the lowest term is 5 over 6. And the reciprocal of 5 over 6 is 6 over 5. 8 over 10, the lowest term is 4 over 5. And the reciprocal of 4 over 5 is 5 over 4. 3 over 12, the lowest term is 1/4. And the reciprocal is 4. 90 over 100, the lowest term is 9 over 10. And the reciprocal of 9 over 10 is 10 over 9. To divide a whole number by a fraction, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. In order to find the reciprocal of a fraction, reverse the position of the numerator and the denominator. If the fraction is a mixed number, change the mixed number to an improper fraction. If the numbers to be divided are mixed numbers, change them first to improper fractions before dividing. So let's have an example. Find the quotient. Reduce your answer to lowest term. 10 divided by 1/2. So to divide, we are going to change the operation to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor. So the divisor is 1 over 2. So the reciprocal is 2. So multiply 10 times 2 equals 20. 12 divided by 1/3. Again, change the operation into times. And the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3. Then multiply 12 times 3 equals 36. Another one, 20 divided by 1/4. So copy 20, then change the operation to multiplication and get the reciprocal of 1/4, which is 4. 20 times 4 equals 80. 16 divided by 1/2. Copy 16, then change the operation to multiplication and get the reciprocal of 1 over 8, which is 8. Then multiply 16 times 8 equals 128. 14 divided by 1 over 7. So copy 14. Then divide, change to multiplication. Then the reciprocal is 7. So 14 times 7 equals 98. That's all, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.